Hello dear student, in this video I will show you how to solve an equation. So let's begin. So have you ever looked at an equation like this? X plus 7 equal 15. Where did that x come from? Or like this, x minus 3 equal 10. Or like this, 2 multiplied by x equal 20. Right, so today I'm going to show you how to solve equations step by step in a simple way. So by the end of this video, equations will feel easy. First, what is equation? X plus 7 is an equation. So an equation is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign and with a variable. So x here is a variable and this is the equal sign. And we have here two sides. Is like the equation here, or the equal sign means both sides are equal. It's like a balanced scale, like this, right? So in one side we have x and 7. In the other side we have 15. Okay, so it's simple. Equation is a balanced scale. Okay, now how to solve an equation, or this type is one step equation. So what is happening to x? We have here x and plus 7, which means 7 is being added to x. So to isolate x, we must undo addition. What is the opposite of addition? Right, is subtraction. So we write x plus 7 minus 7 equal 15 minus 7. And that's give us x equal 8. So here we find that x equal 8. This is the solution of this equation. We write, so the solution is x equal 8. It's simple, right? So to check this solution, we have to replace x by 8 in the equation. In the first one, the first line, of course. So 8 plus 7 equal 15. That works, or it's the solution, the right solution. Now, the other type is one-step multiplication. For example, for x equal 20. So the question, what is happening to x? It is being multiplied by 4. X multiplied by 4 equal 20. Opposite of multiplication. What is the opposite of multiplication? That's right, it's division. So the equation equal 4x divided by 4 equal 20 divided by 4. And that give us x equal 5. So the solution is 5. To verify the solution, to check the solution, we replace x by 5 in the first one. So 4 multiplied by 5 equal 20. That's the right solution. Now, how to solve the two-step equation? For example, solve the equation to x plus 3 equal 11. And in this case, we apply the same technique, that we did in the one-step equation. So first, remove plus 3, which means subtract the opposite. So 2x plus 3 minus 3 equal 11 minus 3. And that gives the first side 2x, the second side is 8. Then remove 2 multiply x, which means the opposite is the division. So 2x divided by 2 equal 8 divided by 2. The final step, x equal 4, so the solution is 4. It's simple, right? Now, mini practice. Try this one before I solve it. So, try to solve this equation and apply the techniques that we applied before. Solve the equation to x minus 5 equal 16. Okay, let's solve this equation. First, so remove minus 5, which means the add the opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. So 3x minus 5 plus 5 equals 16 plus 5. So in the first side is 3x, second side is 21. Good. Now to remove the 3 multiplied by x, so we divide by 3, and 3x divided by 3 equals 21 divided by 3. The final step is x equals 7. X equals 7 is the solution of this equation. So the solution is 7. Okay, that's simple. And you can do that. You can follow the steps to solve this equation or any equation. Now, to give a summary of this video, so to solve an equation, we follow these steps. First one is isolate the variable. Then end the operations one at a time. And always do the same thing to both sides. And check your answer. Simple, right? So good luck.